Hi everyone! Welcome back to Anne Design Craft channel. Today I will crochet Disgust from inside our. If you like this, please subscribe and hit the like button. Your support really motivates me to create more videos for you. Here are the tools you'll need for this video: 4-ply cotton yarn, a 3mm crochet hook, a forceps for stuffing, a needle, and a pair of scissors. The video is divided into 2 parts. In part 1, I will crochet the body of Disgust, and in part 2, I will crochet the hair and the clothing. I will start by crocheting the legs. Make a knot in a magic ring and do 7 single crochets into it. When you finish a round, make a slip stitch in the first stitch. Switch to green yarn. Yarn over, pull out the green yarn, and hold both yarn tails tightly. And then make a chain to start the next round. For round 1 to 3, do a single crochet in every stitch until the end. There should be a total of 7 single crochets in each round. In round 4 to 7, switch to dark green yarn. Do a single crochet in every stitch until the end. There should be a total of 7 single crochets in each round. Cut the leftover yarn when you finish the first leg. Then, make another leg with the same pattern. In round 8, insert the hook into the first leg. Then make a slip stitch. Then make a chain and do 2 single crochet. One increase, one single crochet, one increase, and 2 single crochet. Then insert the hook to another leg. and do 2 single crochet. One increase, one single crochet, one increase, and 2 single crochet. Make 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to complete the round. Total 18 stitches. In round 9 to 10, single crochet in every stitch until end. Total 18 stitches. In round 11, switch to light green yarn. Yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook, then make 1 chain. Remember to hold both yarn tails tightly. Make 1 decrease and 1 single crochet. Repeat this pattern 6 times, total 12 stitches. In round 12 to 14, single crochet in every stitches until end. After that, you can fill the legs with some polyester fiber. In the following round, just follow the written pattern. In round 17, do 6 increase, total 12 stitches. In round 18 to 19, just follow the written pattern. In round 20, do 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat this 12 times, total 36 stitches. In round 21 to 22, single crochet in every stitches until end. Total 36 stitches. In round 23, we need to decrease on the face. Since everyone's crochet outcome may differ, adjust the decrease in the best spot on your doll. The spot I marked with a pin is where I need to make a decrease. The 3 single crochets between both decreases will still remain. You just need to adjust the beginning and ending stitch numbers accordingly. In my version, I will place the first decrease after 15 single crochet. If your stitches are twisting, you may need to adjust the number of single crochets before the first decrease. There are a total 33 stitches in this round. For you to see clearly, I have pinned the decrease stitch. All the decrease are on the front-facing side. In round 24 to 28, single crochet in every stitch until end. After that, you can secure the eyes in round 24 to 25. Put it in stitch 17 to 18 and another in stitch 24 to 25. Here, I use 5.0 millimeter eye bead. In round 29, do 1 decrease and 9 single crochet. Repeat this set 3 times. Total 30 stitches in this round. In the following round, just follow the written pattern. Remember to fill in polyester fiber before the hole gets too small. Here is the pattern of the hand. After completing the hand, sew it on round 14 on both sides. The body of Disgust is complete. Let's move on to part 2 to continue the hair and cloth. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.